Hey guys, what's up? I'm vlogging today, so how's it going? I didn't vlog yesterday, I'm very sorry. And then, excuse me, the past 4 days I was on a mission trip, so there's that. But hi, how are you? We have a new addition to the room. We have this nightstand. My dad made this nightstand for me, and I'm pretty sure you guys know about my headboard, right? Right? But yeah, my lights are still on. But yeah, it matches. And yeah, so I'm about to brush my teeth. I'm getting ready for the gym. Here's my hair. Can you see? There it is. Just in like a low back ponytail. Kind of out of the way. Look how pretty it is. It's so blonde. I love it. I'm about to brush my teeth. OOTD. My tights are from Academy. And then my shirt is from, I have no idea. It's from my mom, I think. Yeah, and then my black tennis shoes that I'll be wearing are from like Rack Room or something. But yes, so I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then if with my extra time before I have to leave, I'll probably make more of these bracelets right here. So yeah, if you guys have seen bracelets like this before, comment down below what do you think on them, and if you want me to do like a video on them, like like how to. I don't know. I'm really open to doing different videos for you guys. I've actually always wanted to do DIY videos, but they're just kind of boring because I only do one DIY in a video. Yeah, I filmed a bunch of DIYs before from like 4th and 5th grade. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to get ready and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Hey guys, what's up? So I actually didn't go to the gym. I actually had a physical. So I did that and then I came back. And then I unloaded the dishwasher, which is one of my chores. And then now I just have to do room cleaning stuff. I made 3 more bracelets. So yes, okay, so now I just need to, oh god, oh gosh, so now I just have to clean up my room, and then vacuum it, oh, and then I have to take out my pink truck, the stretch, yeah, that is sunflower seeds. So, fun story, I used that to water the plants, like that pitcher. And then I was like, oh, I need a cup to spit out my seeds. So I went in the kitchen and I was like, oh, well, I mean, I already used it to put water in. So I was like, well, I'll just spit my seeds in there. And that is what I did. So there's that. Don't mind it. Don't judge me for it. Just spit some seeds in it. Yeah, so I gotta clean, gotta vacuum, gotta move the trunk. I'll move the trunk first so I can vacuum under it where it was, but yes. Hey guys, what's up? So you guys are on my ring light right now, but I want to vlog, so hi. So I changed my outfit. I have my basic blue jeans from Maurice's, and then this shirt from Forever 21. This is in my Forever 21 haul, so you can check it out there. Here are these, and then some blue jeans. Okay, so I had cleaned my room and I vacuumed and everything, and then I was filming, so my haul, so I just need to put those things that I got out for it away, and then the room will be back to perfectly clean, and then I will start some beadwork again, because that's all I do these days, you know. Here are all my bracelets. Love them. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't think it's helping. So, yeah, also you're on, I mean, I said this, but holla. Ring light status. This is the brightest it can go, which, darkens up everything else. But let's clean. Hashtag fail. Okay, so I got basically everything cleaned up. So here's what this looks like. I shoved my tripod under there. We have that right there. Ring light right there. So jewelry right there, and then that bucket of other stuff, and then I threw away a couple cards, and then I kept a couple cards, and the couple cards that I kept, I have like this shoebox that I put papers in and stuff, so that went in there. By the way, I do appreciate every single card that I get. Hold on. And it's just, I used to keep like every single card, excuse me, and it's like I forgot about them, and you know, so I just went ahead and threw away a couple of them that were just, nothing like super duper special. Of course I appreciated them, but yeah, and then I kept the special ones that had more like handwritten stuff, you know, so yeah. But yes. Hey guys, so we're about to go get Marble Slab all of a sudden. So, oh wait, I'm vlogging. Excuse me. So, I'm trying to quickly get my shoes on. I also need my belt. And my shoes are somewhere in here. Yes, luckily they're at the top. So that's good. And I threw on this bracelet. It says good vibes, and I felt like it kind of fit with my shirt. And luckily my hair is done, so I'm pretty, and I have like a decent outfit, so I'm like pretty ready to like go somewhere. Alright you guys, so about to go to bed, have my PJs on. I don't know why I came in here. So we're gonna end the vlog here. For ice cream, Marble Slab, I get the same thing every single time. I get the cotton candy ski jump because it's my absolutely favorite. It's my absolute favorite ice cream there. And it's my favorite ice cream of all time. So yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can leave some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing if you're not already. And I love you all. And we will see you in the next vlog. Good night.